Hi, if your name starts with alphabet V for victory, this reading is for you and this is going to be a love reading for you. And we will find out the current energies of your person. Let's find out what they feel for you, their current situation. And this is 7 of Cups in an upright position. This card shows that sometimes they are they are quite confused about choosing, and maybe this is related to their work or something like this. But of course they love you. Yes, they have deep and profound feelings for you. And picking out another card, and Queen of Pentacles in an upright position, and this really shows that yes, they feel for you a lot and they really think that you are their queen. And we will find out the another card for your feelings for your person, and this is 7 of Wands in a reverse position. This card shows that sometimes it's like you really feel some kind of a thing that maybe that they are not giving you their time and they are not spending that much time with you. And we will just take out the further guidance for your feelings for them. And this is 10 of Wands in an upright position. Yes, you really love your person a lot, and sometimes it's like you feel some kind of a burden upon yourself. And we will just take out the guidance for you, alphabet V. And this is 8 of Swords in an upright position. This card sometimes shows that you really feel this is one-sided, but this is not the fact, it's not the truth. They really love you a lot, and we already have received Queen of Pentacles card that always shows that they are very nurturing towards you. So this is just a thought of yours, and you are just making things that way. It is not the, this is not the truth. And we will take out the guidance for your career front for alphabet V. And this is Strength in an upright position. This card shows that you are a person that who has a great infinite blessings, and we can say that you are the one that like always, you always maintain your hope and your courage. And further guidance for, and this is the Empress in an upright position. This card shows if you really want to start something, you want to do something, this is the right time. And the golden period of the time is from 8 months to 3 years from now. You can just plan something, you can begin something, and you will really do wonderfully well. And but whatever you are going to start on a small scale, not too big. Do not invest much. You can begin something from your home also, or from just the place that is too near from your home. You can just begin something like this. And this is the guidance for you. And we will take out the message from the miracle jar for alphabet V. And taking out one, and this is, let's find out. And this is, you should expect new opportunities to occur. Step outside your comfort zone. And here also the guidance card also shows the same, that yes, you can begin something of yours. And here we can just correlate things, the message and the guidance just alike. So the come out of your comfort zone means we always, whenever we just begin something, we just come out of our own thoughts, of the comforts of the home, and accept the recent challenge. And then we really feel good after receiving that, after taking a step forward in our life. We really feel that as if we are very valuable. And so thanks a lot, alphabet V, for watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay connected.